Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to convert HTML to PDF document using the PDF Player API. So this is the API. So if you go to Google and type here PDF Player API, the first result which comes in, this is the website. If you go to this website, first of all you need to create an account. I have already created an account, and then after you create your account it will give your access key. This is the API access key, so just copy it. And now basically this is a simple interface by which you can make request. So this is the endpoint, and this takes some argument. First is the access key that you got here, and then the document URL. So here you need to copy paste the HTML document that you need to convert to PDF. And then there are some additional options, which is page size to A4. So if I run this from this, now it will create this PDF document. If I open this, you will see that this has converted this to this PDF document. So if I just show you the original HTML document, so if I open this document, this was the original HTML and now it has created to this PDF. So we can even make this request inside our application. So just create a simple index.html file inside your browser. So change the title, that is HTML to PDF using PDF Player API. So for this I will also be using Bootstrap. So let me just include the CDN for you. I have included the CDN, you can see that, and also the jQuery CDN. So after this we just need to use the container class of Bootstrap and a heading, and I will be giving a class Bootstrap class of text center. So this will be HTML to PDF using PDF Player API. So after this we will have a simple form which will have an ID of my form. So inside this we will have a simple input field of type text, and we will be giving an ID to it of HTML. So the placeholder will be HTML URL, and this is required. So we also need to give it a Bootstrap class of form control. So if I open this application, open with live server, so you will see this is the input field. After this we will also need to have, we need to wrap this inside a form group class or Bootstrap. So after the input field is ended, just close the stack, close the div, and we will also be having another for the button. So button will be having btn block, btn danger. So the label will be download PDF. So if I refresh, you will see the interface is ready. Now we just need to write JavaScript code. So right here, after you include your jQuery, make a custom script tag. So first of all we will target the form submit event. So when the form is submitted, so this callback function will execute holding the event object, and first of all we will execute event.prevent default, and then we will get the HTML that the user writes by .well method, and then we can just make a simple AJAX request. So this takes some options. First is the method will be get, and then the URL. So what URL that you are making a request to. So if I go to back to the, so this is the URL. You can see that if I copy this URL, paste it, so this needs to be inside double quotes. So this takes some options. First option is the access key. So this access key, you will get your own access key, so don't copy mine. So here I have shown you, so just copy this access key, and what I can do here is that I can declare a variable access key, paste it. So this needs to be in double quotes. Concatenate the variable access key, and then the second variable will be your document URL. So whichever URL that you wish to convert, so this will be equal to the actual HTML that we are getting. And lastly, we will have the page size URL also. So this argument is optional. You can provide this or you can left it, but I will provide it. So this will be equal to A4 size. And then there will be a success callback. When the request is successful, this function will automatically execute. If I just console log the result, so here we need to uh, give the URL of HTML. So if I just give any website https google.com and click on download PDF, so let me just take this URL for now. Sorry, there was a mistake here. This ID needs to be my form. I have committed a mistake here, so the ID that we have given is my form. So just change this to my form. So now it shall work. So if I again give google.com, so now you will see that this it is saying to us that you have not supplied an API access key. So missing access key. So I think that the access key is wrong. So if I again copy this, so I have missed the equal sign, so that is why this was the error. So just make this change, and again if I provide google.com, so now you can see that this is a stream. You can see that. So what we can do here is that we need to parse the stream. So I can just make a window.location dot href, and I can point this to the data. That's it. So just make this change, click on download PDF. Or what we can do here is that we can set this URL. This is window.location.href, and then we can just paste this. So if I just paste it here, so just wait. So we are not making a get request, we are just manipulating the window.location.href variable to whatever this values are equal to. Now if I refresh, if I provide google.com, now you will see that now it has successfully converted it. If I open this, you will see google.com website is converted to uh, this PDF document. So I can check facebook.com as well. So if I provide, if I click facebook.com, so it is taking time here. So it totally depends upon the size. So you will see that this is facebook.com. So you can take any HTML document which is online, you can copy paste the URL. So this is, let me just take this URL. So basically this is resume here or invoice document. So if I plug this, if I open this, you will see that. So in this way you can just convert any sort of HTML URL to PDF document using the PDF player API in JavaScript.